In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide the tabs and address bar in Chrome in just a few seconds. This is a super simple trick that's perfect when you want a cleaner viewing experience, whether you're watching YouTube, presenting something on screen, browsing a website, or just want to remove distractions and see more of the page. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, Start menu, or Applications folder, depending on whether you're using Windows or Mac. Once Chrome is open, go to any website you want to view. This can be a YouTube video, a news site, a document, a presentation page, or really any web page you want to see in a larger, cleaner view. Now here's the important part. To hide the tabs and address bar, simply press F11 on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, Chrome will switch into full screen mode. You'll notice the tabs disappear, the address bar goes away, and even the bookmark bar is hidden if it was visible. This gives you a much more immersive view of the content on the screen and is especially useful if you want to focus on what's on the page without the browser interface getting in the way. If you're on a laptop or a keyboard where the function keys are assigned to other actions, you may need to hold the Fn key and then press F11. That depends on your device's settings, but the goal is the same. Enter full screen mode in Chrome. Once you're in full screen, you can enjoy a much cleaner browser window with maximum space dedicated to the website itself. This is a great trick for a lot of situations. If you're watching a video, it helps create a more cinematic view. If you're presenting something, it keeps your screen looking neat and professional. If you're reading or working online, it removes visual clutter so you can stay focused. And because it's built right into Chrome, you don't need to install anything extra or change any settings. When you want to bring the tabs and address bar back, just press F11 again. Chrome will immediately exit full screen mode and return to the normal browser view. Your tabs, address bar, and bookmarks bar will reappear just like before, making it easy to switch back whenever you need to. So that's all there is to it. Open Chrome, go to your website, press F11 to hide the tabs and address bar, and press F11 again to bring everything back. It's fast, easy, and one of the simplest Chrome shortcuts you can learn. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more Chrome tips and shortcuts in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.